Math in 3 with Mrs. Z.
This video is about how to combine like terms. When we put away our laundry, we combine things that are similar. We put all of our shirts in the same drawer together, all of our socks in the same drawer, all of our pants together. That makes it easy for us to find what we need. We do a similar thing with numbers when we are combining like terms together. Combining like terms means that we will combine terms with the same variable that's raised to the same exponent. It's important to note that a variable without a number has a 1 in front of it. So instead of just x, we want to make that invisible math visible and make it 1x. A variable that has a negative sign in front of it actually has a negative 1 in front of it. So negative x is actually negative 1x. When we look at a set of terms, it's important that we understand the vocabulary. This 2x is a term. 7 is also a term. Terms are numbers and variables separated by an addition or subtraction sign. The number in front of this variable is called the coefficient. This x is the variable. When we have a number without a variable, it's called a constant. When we want to combine like terms, we have to first identify which terms are alike. In this example, we have a variable of a c with a coefficient of 6. We look at all of our other terms to see if there's any other variables that have a c. Here we have a 2c. We include the plus sign with the 2. So this means we're taking 6c plus 2c. That gives us 8c. Sometimes I like to think about the variable being an object. 6 carrots plus 2 carrots give us 8 carrots. Then we look at our constants to see if we can combine them together. So here we have a positive 4. Notice I'm including the sign again. And a takeaway or minus 7. So 4 minus 7 is going to give us negative 3. So we're combining together the similar variables into one pile. Instead of having a pile of 6 c's over here and 2 more c's over here, we can just put them in one pile and say together we have 8 c's. Similarly with constants, we have 4 here, and we're taking away 7 from that 4, putting that into one pile, taking that as minus 3. So the final answer will be 8c minus 3.
This was Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. Please like and subscribe below. Thanks.